Here is my fantastic cough syrup home remedy that you're gonna love. It works instantly. So you're starting with 1 cup of unpasteurized raw honey, a 1/4 cup of peeled and sliced onions, and 5 cloves of peeled sliced garlic. Now, garlic and onions contain allicin, which is a powerful anti-inflammatory, natural antibiotic, and expectorant, so is great for those mucousy types of coughs. Then you're putting that all into a glass jar. You're gonna use a wooden spoon to stir that. Let it sit overnight and then use 1/4 teaspoon as needed in your mouth for that cough. Now you can add a booster of this, which is what I do at home. I add some immune supporting herbs. I open up 5 capsules of that into the mixture to give that extra boost. Follow for more natural health tips.